In this video, I will show you how to recover your Tesla account. So in case you forgot your password, here's what you do. First of all, open up Chrome or any web browser. Search for tesla.com. Then this page will open. In the top right corner, you will see menu. Click on it. Then click on account at the bottom of the screen. Now put in your email. Click on next. After that, if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password. Then reset password page will open. Simply click on yes, I am human. Then click on send. Now a code has been sent to your email. Let's open Gmail. Here we can see the Tesla verification code. Simply copy it. Now let's open Chrome. Put in the code. Then this page will open where you can create a new password. Once you set the password that meets all the password requirements, simply click on submit. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Tesla account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.